Good morning, YouTube. I'm about to get after it again. That last video, that was just not enough for me. I'm determined. I'm a little angry. I'm pissed off at the bass. I want vengeance. So I got a little tip. The water's way up, but my friend said he had a great day yesterday. I'm going to get after it today. I'm going to fish till about lunchtime, about 1 o'clock. Got to watch the playoffs, so I got to get off the lake by then. But I'm going to do some damage. I want them to know that I was here today. So anyway, stay tuned. Like, subscribe, and yeah, it's Hooked on Bassin', round 2. Ding, ding, ding. Peace. Here's a fish coming up right now, boy. Nice one too. Oh yeah. Nice little chunk spot. First thing in the morning. I will take that. Ooh. What's up, boy? Already starting out pretty good. Let's go. Let's go. About to get another one of these bad boys. That's really weird. Okay, guys. Have fun at my expense. I definitely felt a bite. Dang, man. That's embarrassing. Might have to edit that out. Bye, guys. He's coming up. He's surfacing. Oh, it's decent. Okay. 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 Yeah. Oh, I hate that. Ugh. Here's another one. That one swam with it, man. I almost couldn't catch up to him. Oh, that's a good one. That's a little better fish. Put it on the thing. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Let's go. Let's get it. Oh, that's a chunk. I can't even get my hands around him. Come on, baby. Let's get it. Boom. Nice little fat fish. I can lose this fish. Oh, rookie. I was determined to get that one. That's just a little one. Another fish for y'all. Oh my God, I keep losing fish. God. Oh, it's making me so mad. I thought I had the video on for that, but instead I took 144 pictures every 0.5 seconds of that fish catch. I don't know if you guys will enjoy that or not, but I caught another one. Pegged this thing. He's fat too, man. Boy, they here now. They here. Hey, let me show you guys what I'm using. I love this bait, man. Hula grub. This is a spot sticker jig head. I can't remember exactly what it's called, but this spot sticker jig head has good weight. You can skip it under docks. This thing is awesome. And this hula grub, it's got a little bit of purple flake and orange flake, green pumpkin color. Can't beat it on Lanier. Got another one on here. Tighten that drag up. Oh, that's a nice one, dude. That's a nice pig. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh my gosh. Boom. That's a chunk right there. Hook fell right out. I gotta tighten my drag up. Boom. That is a chunk, baby. Yes. Let's go. Here we go, guys. Just a little one. Feeling good about the day. Oh my God. Oh my God, I have a fish. Oh, that's so freaking crazy. A nice fish. Very nice one. Oh my gosh. That's nuts. That is nuts. Wow. Wow. There it is. That's a nice one too. That is a nice one. Oh my God, that's a big largemouth. Oh my God. What a cool video this is. Oh, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, guys. Yes. Look at that. Look at that. That is so cool. Big largemouth on the hula grub. Heck yes. Yes, sir. Look at that. I'll take that all day. Ooh, baby. Let's go. Just got off the boat. Look, my boat's getting away, actually. Let's go. I'll take a good picture later. Boom, look at all those fish right there. Chunk day. Woo. Guys, it was an awesome day, man. I feel good. I'm gonna show you my best 5, and then I'm gonna put them in this live well and save them for a picture. But unbelievable day. So glad I made up for my lack of fishing skill the other day. Boom. Nice little chunk. Oh yeah. Another one. Fatty. Oh, I got 6 in here. I only thought I had 5. Kids, do not do that at home. I'm gonna see what the best 5 are. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Big old tank spot. Look at that beautiful spot. Awesome. And everybody, you gotta get a kicker largemouth. So I did. Just crushed it. Hey, if you like this video, subscribe, comment, ask me what I was catching them on. Maybe I'll tell you. I will. And yeah, but definitely subscribe, because I'm going to keep the content coming and stuff. I'm going to give you Lake Lanier fishing reports and tell you exactly what I'm doing to help you catch more fish. So subscribe, comment, share, like, all the above. All right? And the subscribe's down below. Thank you, and I will see you later. Hooked on Bassin', signing out.